In this video, we will show you how to use this machine. Step 1. Press the side button simultaneously with both your hands to open the lid. Step 2. Place the open end of the bag into the vacuum chamber area and make the sealing feel flat and fixed. Step 3. Close the lid. You can stand up and press it hard until you hear it ta-da sound. Make sure the lid is locked both sides. Step 4. Select a dry vacuum seal and press the button and wait for a few seconds. When the seal is complete, the work light will automatically go out. Then press the two side switches again to open the lid. Step 6. The vacuum bag is completely sealed. If you just want to seal this bag, you just need to press the seal button. It's very easy to handle. Okay, let's try to make another function. Let's make a menu and seal. Just press the menu button. If you want to continue to work, just continue, press the button. If you want to stop it, just take out your finger. And last, press the seal button. When it's finished, then we'll stop. Let's check. This machine have different functions. You can choose the different functions according to your demands.